If you look back in history, you realize the powers to be just been feeding society just such false narratives. Of course, that was pretty much the same decade the sexual revolution happened. Of course, the Beatles and the Flower Child and Woodstock is like really been just in that decade. They were just telling us we're gonna be heading for an ice age.
What? You're from the 60s? Well,
Yes, I'm from the 60s, or of course the late 60s. But it was kind of profound that these alarmists could continue saying 10 years we're going to be covered on ice. There's going to be a massive ice age. Of course, it wasn't like the 70s. They kind of flipped it the global warming. Of course, the 1980s. They came up with a new problem: acid rain. Oh, it's like acid rain is the world's going to be ending in 10 years. There. Of course, multiple people just bought in that such nonsense, and they started capitulating and acquiescing together, and started carrying the banners and having wide mass protests like, "Oh, acid rain here, oh yeah." Just remember where you heard it there. You may be in a surprise when the 90s rolled around, and they kind of flipped it again and expanded their into the polar vortex conspiracy theory and these scares of these winter storms.
Get ready for a surprise!
You're in a Johnny Cat. I mean, what am I doing here?
So, why am I bringing up Johnny Cab again there? I think this all this nonsense with global warming. All the 10 years we're gonna be out stuff. We're gonna be in the ice age. Of course, with the whole a world running out of all oil there. This hysteria back in the 70s there, and there. I'm just making a point of a distinction there. It's enough to drive anybody and cause anybody to have a proverbial meltdown and throw the briefcase on the ground. Bottom line is a main reason why they push out such crazy propaganda pieces there is to keep people in a constant state of fear like fear of losing something or running out, or oh, we're headed for an ice age, or like we need to panic, or we need find ways to stop it, or and like create a funding source, or on this like bottomless pit, or just get people like to get on these useless causes, like back with things with the 60s, the flower child there. Of course, like the sexual revolution was like it's like a big massive psyop there from the very start. Oh yeah, and then like acid rain in like 1980s there. And then it kind of pushes up with the global warming there, and like we're running out of oil there. And like as soon as the 90s came along, and like with all this particular programming there, it was like with this nonsense. But I heard like Rush Limbaugh talk about oil as a fossil fuel is an absolute racket there. Oil is a renewable resource because it isn't like made from fossils. But then again, there you get like a lot told enough times, people end up believing it.
Welcome to the Cafe 80s, where it's always morning in America, even in the afternoon to noon. Our specialty.
Yeah, getting on the topic of the automated cars and self-driving cars. That was kind of in planning stages there. It was like for a long time, for about 30, 40, 50 years, as with the Johnny Cab. I've mentioned in pretty about predictive programming that came out in the Total Recall movie in the mid 90s. But there was like another video which on YouTube that back in the 1950s GM was planning a self-driving car that was operated by the computer. Just so I mention, like there, nothing's new under the sun there, but this been like being planned as it's gonna be probably bringing like some eliminations. Of course, at the loss of many jobs there, as even the trucks are becoming self-driving. What's going to happen with the truck drivers industry? What's going to happen with the driver apps, with the Ubers, the Lyfts, the drive share programs? What's going to happen to that industry as people like there and taxis? So that's gonna like a whole impact on like a wide variety of jobs in the industry there. Self-driving cars is not the only thing that we're worried about. It's the video clip with the Cafe 80s there. And even land industries, that's going to become totally automated. Robots that serve customers. What's going to happen with the fast food industry? There's going to be no servers that be taking over. Like they'll be all automated by robotics, the cooks and all that. And it's like the service industry, like there. What's going to happen with jobs in the industry? It could expand to the hotel and other industries as well. So, when you drastically remind you like shake the money tree, should have been part wide, and like I did like put a video there. It's like a cat called Mango. Be like a video, like a light shoulder. So shake the money tree and share the spirit far and wide. And don't forget to check out my website, domexpert.com. If you're looking for ways to earn money from home, send me email or a private messenger. Send me any of my social medias or Gab, Smooths, Locals, Rumble. And also I'm on Truth Social there.